Hi, this is Victor again, and I want to talk to you about my first milestone. And my first milestone was basically just to design and construct my robot chassis. And through this process, I had to learn several new skills, such as how to use Google SketchUp. So on this robot, there's a total of 6 3D printed parts, and I had to design each one. So as you can see here, this is the Google SketchUp view of the entire chassis with all the parts combined. And this is the caster wheel mount, as you can see here, which I designed in Google SketchUp. And here is the motor mount over there. You can see it over there. And this is the wheel right here. And I put a rubber band around the wheel for it to have more traction and make it more circular, as one of the problems with Google SketchUp is that it didn't design completely circular objects. And finally, this is the Raspberry Pi mount, as you can see over here. And with Google SketchUp, I was able to make it a crazy shape instead of just a regular square. So that was pretty exciting. And I attached the Raspberry Pi to it using zip ties. And in addition to Google SketchUp, I also had to learn Matter Control, which is a software used to print 3D printed parts. And I learned how to import 3D SketchUp designs into this software in order to print it. And if we go to, this is an example of slicing a part that I designed. So this is the Raspberry Pi mount over there. And as you can see, it goes layer by layer until it's fully printed, and you can see right there. And in this software, there are a lot of temperature settings and that I had to learn how to set up and decide what type of plastic to use, and each plastic has a different temperature setting, so I had to learn that also. And some of the problems I encountered with 3D printing was warping of materials. So for a couple of the wheels that I printed, the heat bed wasn't set properly and the wheels started to warp, and I had to reprint them. And also for the motor mount, I forgot to add support on one of them, and that resulted in a puddle of black gooiness that had to be thrown away, unfortunately. And that's all, I guess.